Viewers, here is another tutorial and showing you how to fix Xbox 360 DLCs, and this is a tutorial of Xbox 360. I'm learning and not buddy. This is my own tutorial. I learned it, so this is the making of Xbox 360. There is it. So I want to delete one. The backup file is the fix the DLC and how to fix it. If your DLC is corrupted and how to fix, you want to download HXP, link in description. After you download it, to drag into the HXD until this is the corrupted DLCs. You want to change nothing from here, just change to the live. Don't be hit here delete button. Type here in LIVE that the DLC has been saved and the backup files will be created. Give the backup file. The DLC has been your currently mapped, and the fixed DLC. I'm proving that's fixed DLC. So here two DLC and one delete. So that is fix it. So DLC has been fixed. It's alive. You can see that con is now alive. So if Horizon is not working, so first test on Horizon, and if you can't drag into the Horizon, so you want to make Paris, change to it Paris, and then it's not work, so DLC is fully corrupted. That is work. Okay, so subscribe and like, please.